90-Day Fiancé. Khloe confesses she doesn't know how to use the stove. Exclusive clip. Hello friends, Elle and Wordly Wise, welcome to my channel. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. In the clip, we see Khloe, a woman from Massachusetts who has just moved to Aruba to be with her pirate partner, Johnny, confessing that she doesn't know how to use the stove. Khloe explains, "I don't know how to use the stove because anytime we've wanted to eat, I took us out to breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, really, there's no use of the stove because we're not even home ever to use it." She later insisted, "I'm more than capable of making eggs and other things that a stove requires, but it's gas, that's probably what my problem is. It's like a flame I can't control. Like, if it wants to light something on fire, like, what am I going to do?" Khloe then fidgets with the stove handles, confessing, "I'm afraid. I'm scared of the stove." Watch 90-Day Fiancé. The Other Way, Mondays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, PT on TLC. 90-Day Fiancé. Veronica Rodriguez has totally changed her face after latest plastic surgery. 90-Day Fiancé. Veronica impresses fans with her massive weight loss. Veronica Rodriguez recently shared some stunning pictures with her daughter, and fans weren't able to take their eyes off her. She wore a body-hugging lavender playsuit and fancy boots, which gave viewers a closer look at her weight loss. The 90-Day Fiancé star showed off her long, thin, and stunning legs while she happily grinned at the camera with Khloe. This came after Veronica had worked really hard to get back in shape. She dropped 22 pounds in 2022 and got a weight loss surgery as well. Since then, Rodriguez has opted for the path of yoga while maintaining a mindful diet. That could be the reason the celeb has finally achieved her dream look. But even after all this, Veronica perhaps wasn't satisfied with her appearance, as she decided to undergo the knife again. 90-Day Fiancé. Veronica gets several surgeries. New look alert. Veronica Rodriguez recently took to Instagram to discuss her latest surgeries with her 90-Day Fiancé viewers. She posted a reel in which she happily announced, "It's surgery day," as she was walking into the clinic. The celeb admitted that she has wanted to undergo the knife and get these surgeries done for a long time.